Assembling the standard Porta-Jib. The standard Porta-Jib here is pictured on our lightweight tripod. Here it is in its case. We begin by removing the Fulcrum assembly. Notice that the boom lock is swinging freely, so be careful not to pinch your fingers. Lock that assembly into the tripod with 3 kip levers. Once this is in position and the legs are extended, it's good to tighten the upper legs of the tripod to increase stability. We adjust the length of the legs to obtain a level. It's good to do this now before you have all the weight involved at the jib so that it's a little easier to lift the legs. Remove the steel bar. Notice that one end is threaded and the other is not. The non-threaded end is going to insert into the base of the main assembly. You slide it through the clamp of the boom lock and into the main fulcrum assembly and secure with its lock. Square the boom lock by tightening the lock on the right first, then the kip lever. Add the fine tuning weight. The counterweight shaft goes into this counterweight coupling, one on each side. Now that is going to slide over the steel bar and be secured by the vector bar that goes into position like this. It's a little safety cap we put on the end of the steel bar. That was that threaded end we talked about earlier. Next we'll do the front assembly. Put the main tube on with one of the clamps ready to be locked. Insert the through pin. The secondary arm is secured with its own knobs with the little nylon tips. We're ready for the front tongue. Another clamp. Another through pin. Lock the clamp. Lift up the secondary arm. Connect to the front. And secure with another knob with a nylon tip. Now sometimes the level is a little off left to right, and you can simply loosen the 2 clamps and rotate the front tongue slightly manually to get the proper left-right orientation for the bubble. The front to back level is going to be controlled by the length of the secondary arm. Notice that it's threaded, and by turning it, it'll change its overall length. This will allow you to bring the bubble into position. And there we are, standard Porta-Jib.